My name's Cutler. I'm a 38-year-old married husband, father, professional in Chandler, Arizona. I work in full-time in event planning and group travel. You know, what attracted me to Uproar.car and ultimately why I ended up signing on with the service and the membership was really just the personal level of touch on the matter. It felt like I was talking to a real person that heard my concerns and responded to them. I wasn't ever put on hold. I wasn't ever brought on with a manager or any sort of like supervisor to, sell me on a product. It really felt like Uproar.car served the niche that I was looking for. I'm a professional. I travel a lot for work. I'm a husband and a father of 3 girls. And for me, having something like Uproar.car provides the same level of comfort that my full coverage auto insurance provides. It's certainly an investment. It's certainly something I pay for, just like I pay for any of my other professional memberships or professional services that I find important in my life. But having something like Uproar.car feels like I have a backing. So I did recently have a claim that I had fixed because of the uniqueness of the issue that had come up. I chose to have my vehicle serviced at the Ford dealership, and I saved on the one repair, I saved nearly $700. So quite frankly, in that one repair, it has paid for my, at least it has paid for a full year worth of my membership in terms of the savings that it immediately provided. I've had one experience with Uproar.car covering a repair. It was seamless. I took the truck to the dealership. The dealership called with the repair. There was a little back and forth with Uproar in terms of coverage and things like this. And at the end of the day, Uproar covered it. And even now, Uproar has kind of done their part of it, but I'm in touch with the dealer. Even the dealer had positive things to say about his experience with Uproar. It feels like I'm talking to people every time. They're interested in talking to me. And I like to do business with people. I had a great experience. And I work in marketing full time. I felt the need to immediately let my friends know that this is a company that they should look into if they're in need of a car warranty service, because I want my friends and family and coworkers and colleagues to be taken care of just like I feel like I am taken care of by Uproar.car.